7.3 third example. 120 bags of half-liter milk can fill by the machine in 3 minutes. Then find the time to fill such a 1800 bag. Means in short, I will write like this. Number of bag I will represented by N. Time required to fill the bag I will represented by capital T. So to fill the 120 bags 3 minutes are required. To fill the 1800 bags, how much time is required, that you have to find out. Means within how many minutes you will fill the 1800 bags, that you have to find out. First of all, if you want to solve this problem, you have to identify that this problem is of direct variation or the inverse variation. So I will explain this like this. If the number of bags will increase, at that time the time required to fill the bag will also increase. And if the number of bags will decrease, at that time required to fill the bag will decrease. So I will say that if one quantity increases, another simultaneously increases, and if one quantity decreases, simultaneously another quantity also decreases. So such a variation is called as the direct variation. So I will say that above example is of direct variation. Number of bags varies directly with time. So I will say that capital N is directly varies with capital T. So you have to remove the proportionality sign, you have to give the equal to sign, and you have to write the constant of proportionality, and you have to say that N is equal to K into T. This is the equation of variation. Once we will get the equation of variation from the value of N is equal to 120 and for the value of T is equal to 3, you have to find out the value of K. So I will write first find K by putting N is equal to 120 and T is equal to 3 in above equation. So the above equation is N is equal to K into T. N value is 120, K as it is you have to write, T is equal to 3. You have to transpose this 3 from right side to left side. Multiplied by 3 becomes divided by 3. So you have to divide this by 3. At that time 3 ones are 3. 3 40s are 120. So K is equal to 40 will come. Once you will get the value of K, you have to put the value of K as 40, value of N as 1800, and you have to find out the value of T by putting this value of K is equal to 40 and N is equal to 1800 in the equation of variation. So you have to say that this is the equation of variation. N is equal to K into T. So value of N is 1800, value of K is 40. You have to find out value of T. So you have to transpose this multiplied by 40 from right side to left side. Multiplied by 40 becomes divided by 40. Strike 0. This becomes 180 upon 4. Then if you will divide 180 by 4, at that time 4 ones are 4. 4 45s are 180. Therefore T is equal to 45. So you have to say that T is equal to 45 minutes. So I will say that 45 minutes are required. So I will say that within 45 minutes 1800 bags will be filled. So try to understand this example properly, and you have to first identify that this expression is of the direct variation or inverse variation. According to that, you have to write the equation of variation. You have to put the value of proper values, and you have to find out the value of K, and after that you have to find out the value of whatever they ask, that quantity you have to find out properly by putting the values in the equation of the variation. I think you understand all these things, so write all these things in the classwork notebook properly. Thank you.